Hi guys, I'm going to be doing a video, so, well, that's kind of obvious because I'm recording. So anyway, I'm just going to be doing a video because I am totally bored. So, that's my burp. That was my end to a really silly video on a burp. It's so silly, but like I'm just like I couldn't think of what to record, so I just decided to record a burp because I just drank a fizzy drink and I was like, I'll wait till I think I need to burp and then I'll record a video a minute before that. So I hope you liked it, and I'm not as gross as you think. I mean, I don't usually burp. I just felt like recording it, so bye.